Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You already have the data. Start by selecting the column you want to inspect and turn it into a table with Ctrl+T. Once done, make sure blanks are removed and numbers aren't stored as text. Inconsistent types break matching. Now apply conditional formatting from the Home tab and pick Highlight Cells Rules, then Duplicate Values. This first action both marks duplicates visually and prepares your sheet for the next cleanup steps, so you can act on results immediately. Once duplicates are highlighted, refine what Excel matched by adjusting the Duplicate Values dialog. Change the formatting or apply to a specific table column. If you need partial or normalized matches, add a helper column using trim, upper, left, or text formulas to standardize values, then reapply highlighting to that helper column. Make sure to inspect highlighted examples before deleting anything, because formatting only points out matches. The helper approach explains why two entries appear as duplicate. To finish, back up the sheet, then use Data right arrow, remove duplicates, and choose which columns define a duplicate. Press OK to delete true duplicates. Once removed, use a filter to confirm results. If things go wrong, remember this troubleshooting tip. Check for hidden leading/trailing spaces, different cases, or numbers stored as text. Those prevent a match even when values look identical. If necessary, run clean. Trim and value or reformat cells, then repeat the highlight step.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.